So hello, hey, how are you all my friends? So today I received my Relevel gift. You can see this box is packed from all the side, and you can see this, it is totally packed, and it came from the DTDC courier. You can see the name is already mentioned in that, DTDC courier, and it is by an academy. You can see it clearly, an academy. Is it not clear? Is it clear now? Is it now clear? Okay. Okay, I think so. It is not clear. So I will just put a photograph also. It is by an academy, Relevel by an academy, and over here is my name. You can see my name is written over here, and the address I have just. I don't want to show my address actually, so that is why. And see, you can see that I'm also very much excited that what will be inside this box, what they would have been given me. So let us open it now, and let us see it, what is inside this box. So the thing is ki bhai, if you are working hard, definitely you will get a reward. So I think that this is my reward of my work. ज़्यादा बोल दिया नहीं ज़्यादा नहीं बोला यार. You yourself will get यार. Maybe I have got this small gift. You may get a laptop, an Apple phone, anything you can get यार. It is not that only I have got, you won't be getting. No, you can get much more better than it. ठीक है. So always trust me also. So let us don't waste any time, and let us open this box. चलो. So I received my gift. See, as the unboxing was shown to you, and now I'll be describing all the commodities that came with this box. So it's a very beautiful black color box, na? Very nice. And let me open in front of you. So the first thing is a book by Tim S. Grover with Sari Lesser Wink, Relentless. Nice book. From good to great to unstoppable. You can see this book. I believe that it can be easily seen. Okay, now is it visible now? Is it visible? Okay. So I believe that this book must be about how to develop your confidence in how to be good and later better and later on best. So I believe that this book must be on that only. So after reading I will tell you what is written in this book. Now the second thing was a very nice Parker pen. Okay, let me show you this. A Parker pen is there, and I don't know which color it is of, and on that there will be written An Academy. You can see it. You can see this An Academy is written on this. An Academy is clearly written on this. Okay, Relevel by An Academy. No, I believe that it must not be clear or something like that. First, let me wipe my camera. Just yes. So please see. I believe that it is visible to you. I don't know is it visible or not, but An Academy is written on it, and this is its box. Parker. You can see Parker. It is written. Let me put it back. For sale only in India and Nepal. That is also written on this. See. Parker. Second thing is a congratulations card. You can see it. Something is written on it. Okay. The fight is now over. Congratulations, you just bagged an amazing job with one of India's leading company. Okay, Relevel by An Academy. Now the fourth thing is a diary. Diary is there. It's totally plain, and on each and every paper An Academy is written. You can see this diary. Black color. Now after opening this, there is a t-shirt also, as I've shown you. Again I'm showing it to you. You can see they just called me few days earlier and they asked ki what is your t-shirt size. So I just said ki it is of 42. So I believe that so 42 size only. Relevel by An Academy. Nothing is written at the back. Okay, and now this box is empty. You can see it. It's totally empty now. Okay. Now there's a magnet over here. With that magnet only it gets sticked over here. And you can see this box again. It's empty now. So actually this was a very awaited video, and I was also waiting for this very beautiful gift which Relevel gave me. And seriously, let me take a photograph also. Okay, so it was a very beautiful gift that Relevel gave me, and I sincerely thank to Relevel that he gave me such type of motivation with this type of pen and diary and all. So it's not that only I can get these all things. Yes, it's just hard work which will cost you this gift. That hard work only will be means that hard work only will be making you closer to this gift. And not only this gift here, you can get any other gift. You can get laptop, even you can get iPhone, tablets, whatsoever there. I only got this. You may be getting more and best one. So don't consider yourself that you have not done anything. Keep on trying and trying, and definitely you will succeed. So it will, I believe that this video will act as a motivation. Please do tell me what was your score today, and how did you like my video, and please do subscribe, and I will keep on bringing such type of videos in which you people are motivated, and in which you people learn something new. So please do like my video. Thank you.